so you're out to lose weight. You want to lose it fast, so you diet, and you diet some more. Well, diet isn't enough. The only way to lose the weight fast is to add exercise to your diet regimen. Cardiovascular workouts trim the fat and strengthen the heart. Here are some ultimate exercises that will get you started easily. Cardiovascular workouts you can try at home without a gym. Bicycling, it's that simple. Just hop on a bike and head out around town. Start with a mostly flat ride to get acclimated to the exercise, and as you get better at it, work your way up to more hilly terrain. If you don't have a bicycle or don't have a good place to ride, you can simulate a good ride on a stationary bike. Just don't forget to adjust the tension on the wheel so you actually get a good workout. Walking, power walking, or running. Me? Well, maybe not right away. Do these ultimate exercises in order of increasing impact. The purpose is to ease yourself into them. If you have a lot of extra weight, start by walking. If you are used to never exercising and you just start running one day, you can injure your knees, shins, feet, and even your back. Take it easy, and one day you'll be able to run like all those people you see at the park. Yeah, you know the type. Playing with your kids or a family pet, so many people overlook the healthy benefits of good old-fashioned playtime that it almost never would occur to us to reap those benefits. Kids love active games. Tag, hide and seek, or any game with a ball can be made into a fun way to get exercise as well as get kids started exercising as well. Cardio training is an exceptionally effective way to trim the fat from your physique. Just remember to ease yourself into it by starting small and adding higher impact exercises as your body acclimates itself to the increased activity. Cardio exercises only work if your heart rate is elevated for an extended period of time, so keep an eye on your heart rate. Don't forget about safety, either. If you start feeling lightheaded or shaky, stop immediately and take a rest. See a doctor before you start any exercise program. Just remember that exercise can and should be fun as well as effective. Work hard at it, be patient, and don't give up. You can achieve your goal with these simple ultimate exercises. This article is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice and should not be used or interpreted as such. You should always consult a medical professional before making drastic changes to your diet and physical exercise.